So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money, there is a new app called Survey Junkie. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's 100% free. You actually make money. You can cash out for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, or just get money sent directly to your PayPal account simply for filling out surveys. If you're bored, have some extra time, and you want to pay for your gas or for your groceries. If you want some money, check out Survey Junkie. It's really cool, really easy. It's very they've been around for like 10 years. I know it said it's new, but sorry, I misspoke. They've been around for 10 years. They're awesome. Go check them out. Use my link in the description down below. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. I really appreciate you all coming by. So I know we're in a very crazy time that we're all in right now, especially as gig workers. If you're a gig worker, if you drive for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates, Grubhub, Instacart, Amazon Flex, there's a lot. Wow, there's quite a lot of them, hey? There's a lot of gigs out there, a lot of gig apps, if you will. But as you guys know, it's not quite possible to still make the same amount of money, so a lot of people have been applying for unemployment benefits. Luckily, the government included gig workers in the US stimulus bill to allow gig workers to get unemployment benefits, PUA, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance money. And if you still haven't gotten it yet, there is some good news. Once you do get it, they're gonna backdate, like retroactively give you money from the day that you stopped making money. So just kind of sucks you haven't gotten it yet, but if you're still waiting for it, you know, keep trying to get it, try to get a hold of somebody or whatever. Just do what you gotta do. Put in the time, put in the effort, get your money. So many people have been getting it. And they're gonna backdate it. So if you stop making money on March 1st or whatever, even though you haven't been making money from March, April, and then now it's almost the end of May, they're gonna pay you those like 2-3 months that you haven't been making money. So your first check will just be huge. And then you'll start getting the normal money. So that's good news. I know a lot of people didn't know that, so I just wanted to clarify. And so for me, my update, I'm an Uber and a Lyft driver, but I'm in a different position because I have a company set up. I actually did form a company, an LLC. The reason I did that was for tax purposes, so I don't have to pay, you know, self-employment tax because I'm in California and it's crazy high. So when you have to pay self-employment tax, you're just getting, you know, crazy amount. Your taxes are so high, so high. So what I did was I started up a company, have an accountant, and I get a check from my own company. So I'm technically an employee of my own company. So since I'm still receiving a check, I can't apply for unemployment benefits. I can't apply for PUA because I'm still on payroll, if that makes sense. So fortunately, the US stimulus bill did include something for small business owners, which was the economic injury disaster loan up to $10,000, which is more like they kind of changed it to $1,000, which that's a whole nother story. Then they also launched the PPP, Paycheck Protection Program, which I received. So I received that. I received $5,000 from the Paycheck Protection Program. I can just pull up a screenshot really quick and show you guys. Let's see here. Paycheck Protection Program. So here we go. This is the email I got. It goes, your Paycheck Protection Program has been approved. Thank you for completing and signing the attestation form and promissory note. Your loan has been approved and funds will be deposited within 1 to 2 business days. Let me just see if I can pull up the bank, what it shows in my bank. I have Bank of America, so I did get a deposit of $5,000. If you want, I can show it to you because apparently people like seeing the actual, you know, amount, like the receipt or whatever, or else people are skeptical or whatever. I don't blame them. A lot of people don't, you know, tell the whole truth on the internet. So anyways, Let me see if I can find this without showing you like my entire balance and everything. Yeah, here it is. I think I can just do this and I'll cross out some of the stuff. But yeah, 5,000 bucks. I got it on May 6th, and it says it's from CARES Act, Paycheck Protection Program. Whoops. And yeah, that's about it. So I do technically, it is a loan. It's a loan, but I've now just got news that I have to apply to get it forgiven. So there's a bunch of parameters, stuff I have to do to get it forgiven, so I don't have to pay it back, which I didn't know. Because when I first applied, the guy at Bank of America, just saying, he told me, because I asked him while I was applying, I said, okay, so once I get the money, how do I, make sure that it's forgiven? And I go, is it automatically forgiven? And he goes, it's automatically forgiven, which, Bank of America, I'm pretty sure that call was recorded, but hey, I'm gonna go through the steps anyway to get it forgiven. I'm sure he didn't even know the process because it was pretty early on. But anyways, that's what I got. I got the PPP, I didn't get the PUA, so I just wanted to update you guys. And yeah, that's what I got. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to y'all soon, and I'll let you guys know once I get that forgiven. Or yeah, that's the process too, because I'll probably make a video on that. All right, bye guys.